Buddha used to tell a lot of stories during his spiritual discourses. One day he told one story and he told that there were two friends in a town. Their name were Ram and Shyam. Both of them were successful business owners. They used to show off their money in a big way. One day Ram went to meet Shyam to his home. Ram saw that Shyam's house is very big. It's three floors. He was surprised to see the architecture and the design and the vastness of that house. Ram saw that all the people who used to live there beside his home used to love and appreciate the house, such a good and big house it is. While returning back, Ram was very sad that his house is not so big. He decided that he will also build bigger house than Shyam. He called the different sculpture of the town. He called many architects from the town and he started telling him what kind of house he want. He told them that he want a bigger house than Shyam. The architect got agreed that they can build a house bigger than Shyam, and they started working on the building, design, and floors. One day, when Ram thought of going on the site of the construction, he went there. He saw that the laborers are digging in the earth. So he asked the architect, "What is going on? What are you doing?" The architect told that we are building a big and strong foundation for the big building, and that is the reason they are digging out. Ram said, "No, no, no. I don't want any kind of basement, any kind of foundation. I want a big building. You don't need to build a foundation. Directly build the building." Architect said that it is not possible to build a building without the foundation. Ram said, "Okay, you leave. I will contact a architect who can build a big building without all this kind of unnecessary things." Ram went to every architect in the town and other towns, but everyone said that without foundation they cannot build a building. In the same way in our life, if we want to do anything in worldly things or in even in the meditation, we should build our foundation very very strong. One of the strong foundation can be the the determination. We should determine ourselves very hard. We should take a oath that we are not going to stop unless and until we achieve the desired result, whatever we want. We will not stop unless and until that is achieved. And that can be a big foundation. That can be a strong foundation. In a such way, we should build multiple foundations, multiple pillars where we can build a big and strong building of life. So whatever success you want, build the foundation first, work on the basic things, make it strong and strong, and then move on. You'll be successful at everything.